In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the slide backgrounds in PowerPoint. This setup takes just a few moments to complete. To start, open your PowerPoint presentation. Once you've got your presentation up, you'll want to locate the slide that needs a new background. Remember, each slide can have its own unique design, so feel free to be creative with each one. Next, right-click directly on the slide you want to modify. This will bring up a context menu with several options. Here, look for the option that says Format Background and click on it. Doing this will open up a new pane on the right side of your screen where you can customize your slide's background to your liking. From here, you'll see different choices for your background style. You can select a solid color to keep things simple or opt for a gradient fill if you want a more dynamic look. If you prefer, you can even choose a picture or texture fill to add some visual interest. Whichever you pick, PowerPoint provides a preview so you can see exactly how your slide will look. With that out of the way, adjust the settings to fine-tune your background. If you chose a solid fill, you can select the exact color you want from the palette. For gradients, you can modify the color stops to create a custom effect. When using a picture, you can resize and reposition it until it fits perfectly. Now, if you're satisfied with the changes, you can apply them to only the current slide. Or if you want to maintain consistency across your presentation, there's an option to apply the background change to all slides. This feature is particularly useful for keeping a cohesive design throughout your slideshow. Finally, once you've made your selections and are happy with the result, click on the Close button in the Format Background pane. This will save your changes and return you to the main slide view. Your new background should now be visible, adding a fresh look to your presentation. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the slide backgrounds in PowerPoint. Enjoy the enhanced appearance of your presentation and feel free to experiment with different designs to suit your needs.